The instructions is two of them. One is paper form, KW4. The other one's online portal, okay? Because companies do it online more and more these days, okay? So if the paperwork is what your employer does, okay, well, we got to see that. So if it's paperwork, then here's a IRS Form W4 where you print this page, as well as Freedom Law School addendum, okay? You prepare those. And so I'm going to go over the step to prepare these documents, which I already have open here. Here is the W4 form, Employees Withholding Certificate, okay? So now, here, this is the 2026 version of this form. You fill out your information, okay, name, address, and so forth and so on. As you go down on this thing, okay, you can skip step 3 and 4 here and just go below that to exempt from withholding, okay? Right here, the box here, you check that box and right of that, okay? That's all you do right there. And you sign it here, and then you say here, see the addendum or see the attachment, okay? And when you do that, here is the addendum or attachment to the form W form, okay, which is your statement of good faith certification of exempt status, okay? So here you certification of non-tax liability. You say, I've checked the exempt box on this form based on my sincere good faith determination that I have incurred no tax liability for federal income tax under subtitle A of the Internal Revenue Code for the preceding tax year, and I expect to incur no such liability for the current tax year. And the basis of your reliance is what? My certification is based on the legal analysis documented in my justification for congressional investigation of unlawful collection of individual income taxes, which is available upon request. I am incorporating that petition to the Congress by reference into this certificate as a factual and legal basis of my signature. Yes, that's the petition to Congress that we talked about that you should send out right away before or very soon after you do this W4 exempt package. And here we mention absence of willfulness. I am not a tax protester. I formally petition my Congress members, the authors of the law, to correct my understanding if it is an error, unless and until the legislative branch clarifies that the law cited in my petition apply to me. I must rely on my good faith understanding that I am exempt.